couple days ago, I woke up and I thought that it was just another day. I opened my window to see my garden and I could not believe my eyes. It was raining pretty hard and I thought my garden was destroyed. I couldn't see my tomatoes because my neighbor's tree was on top of them. We ran outside and started cutting the tree limbs in the pouring rain until everything was cleared up.
Ooh, I got knocked down again. Ooh, but I get back up from it. Time turned out to be a thing that burned me in the end. But pain is just a season, all the worst things always meant. A heart doesn't break even, no, I'm trying to learn to be okay with it. Cause if I can't love me in pieces, then it won't work when I'm fixed. I know I'm growing, maybe I'm just doing it slowly. I wanna turn all of my misery into something better. Nobody next to me, alone is where I'll find the best in me. I wanna learn from all the history, hold it all together. Ooh, I got knocked down again. Ooh, but I get back up from it.
The damage wasn't so bad. I thought it was gonna be real bad because my trellis was so bent. I was so worried about the fence. But I mean, there's a few pickets that are broken, but we can fix them. What really took a big hit was my tomatoes. I pretty much removed all of them. They were already done, so I wasn't too hurt by it. The tomatoes I kept from the ones that got broken. I kept sun gold tomato and I believe it's orange peach tomato. They both from Baker's Creek. And this tomato trellis, it did get a little broken, like the tomato plants, but I'm not too worried about it because I do plan to sow some green beans. But I'm gonna wait until the green beans start to crawling attached to the trellis, and then I will be removing the tomatoes, and they're done too. They are producing, but the fruit is not so tasty. Like, they're not that nice. I do have some more tomatoes growing inside. I have like 6 of them growing, so I'm gonna pick a few to plant here in the next week. I do have some eggplant and zucchini. So yeah, this bed looks a little empty right now, but it's gonna get better in the next week. The trellis did get pretty bent, but a T-post fixed the problem, so it wasn't so bad. So here in this trellis, I'm growing some melons. I have a Kajari melon and vine peach. I've never grown that one before. I saw it on Baker's Creek and I was intrigued about it. So I'm growing a few of those.
Time turned out to be a thing that burned me in the end. But pain is just a season, all the worst things always meant. My heart doesn't break even, no, I'm trying to learn to be okay with it. Cause if I can't love me in pieces, then it won't work when I'm fixed. My heart doesn't break even, no, I'm trying to learn to be okay with it. Cause if I can't love me in pieces, gotta feel it keep healing till the pieces are fixed.
Oh, that's pokey. I'm gonna save these so I can keep the seeds from it. because I loved growing artichokes. That was pretty cool. So artichokes, they really don't like the heat, so they go dormant during the summer, during the hot parts of the year, and then they come back. So what I'm gonna do, I am just going to cut it all the way down and apply some mulch to cover it. It's very prickly. It does have a little pup next to it. I think a few. I will be removing those and potting them so I can transplant them in other parts of the garden. Okay, I think this is not gonna... Oh, I don't want to cut the baby. Okay. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but it's pretty hard right now having a little baby, or two babies. So having a clean and organized garden has become very challenging because now I have two little boys that need my attention. So it took me about, I don't know, 3-4 days to clean up all the mess from the tree falling. And it's crazy how after the rain, just everything goes wild. The grass gets super long. The weeds grow extra large. Powdery mildew. It's to its best right now. I think I'm gonna get like a little cactus for this one. I think that'll be pretty. I will be planting something right here to shade the artichoke. I was reading that that's what you're supposed to do to keep the artichoke root moist during the heat of the summer.